A convoy in Afghanistan, and the tornado. The tornadoes have arrived to provide air cover, with one talking directly to the JTAC on the ground and the others providing cover in a high-level wheel. This is a good old description of being cab on combat air patrol, just zooming up and down and waiting for somebody to fall into trouble, or did you tend to be set up in advance when people thought they could get into trouble? No, the aircraft are generally tasked with specific serials in theatre, but they'll provide cover to anyone that needs it in a troops in contact or emergency situation. I noticed that one aircraft is actually quite a long way away, apparently losing interest, while the other one's zooming around. What is he trying to achieve? Initially, the aircraft have come in to talk to the JTAC. And this is sort of the high-speed flying version, isn't it? They tend to go back for high-speed manoeuvres. So this is purely not dropping any weapons, not firing any guns, just the house. Now, not that a tornado could be described as being a low. So actually, they're not two aircraft operating individually. They're actually operating very much as a team, one looking after the other almost. Yeah, they are very much working as a team. The guy on high will be watching the other guy's back, because obviously in an aircraft you can't see straight behind you. There are other systems that are carried on these, like Sky Shadow. Is that fire and forget, or is the guy in the back seat still actually flying the missile? No, we have two versions of Brimstone. There's a laser-guided version, which is what you simulate. The enemy have moved from the vehicles into the building. Genuinely speaking, this isn't something the squadron have put together. This is day-to-day operational practice for you guys. This is the closest we can show you to operational practice at an air show. If we did it for real, there'd probably be guidance as well. And the Storm Shadow that you spoke about is our deep strike weapon, which has been used in Libya. You can see the wings swept fully back to 67 degrees. As they come around the final turn, you'll see the sweep is gradually going to 45 and then final landing at 25 degrees. Okay, the lead was Johnny Meadows and Stu Lawson. Guy flying number 2, Andy Slater, and his backseater in Shelley. And they're going to come and do it all again tomorrow. Big thanks very much.